Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, September the 9th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in, and we're going to start off with a brand new 3 off 15 DG store coupon that just showed up on our account. So you guys want to double check your account. I found mine in the wallet and then the just for you folder. You do have to click on the drop down button, and then you should find the 3 off 15 there. Now, you might want to hold off before you clip it to your account, because if you are planning on doing any 5 off 25 scenarios on Saturday, it is very likely that this 3 off 15 will come off instead of your 5 off 25, because the lower value coupons tend to come off first. Now, if you want to take your chances and see if it'll stack with your 5 off 25, that is going to be up to you. I'm going to save mine because this doesn't expire until October 31st. So we have plenty of time to come up with some really good deals with this coupon. Now, for anybody who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. And I also want to remind everybody that I have already uploaded several other DG videos for you all this week. Yesterday I did upload the crazy deals and coupons video. In that video there are over 100 deals and coupon matchups. So if you need some substitutions, or if you like having a backup plan for your scenarios, that would be a great video to go and check out. I also want to mention that I uploaded the giant glitch list video for you all last week, and most of those glitches are still going on this week. So if you missed that one, make sure that you go and check. Now, I also want to point out that I did upload a video yesterday evening going over the P&G spend deals. I know there was a lot of confusion last Saturday. The app was crashing. It was just a whole bunch of craziness. So in that video, I pretty much do a quick rundown of what to do, what not to do, what worked for me, and what did not work for me. So if you plan on using those spend coupons before they expire, because they do expire this Saturday, make sure that you go and check out that video. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday. Now, I did go back and forth on what I should do for this video. I didn't know if I should just make a bunch of regular 5 off 25s, or if people were going to be wanting to use that spend coupon and stack them and get some really good deals. So finally, I decided, you know what? I'm just going to share my exact plans for Saturday. Exactly what I'm going to do in the store on Saturday with you guys. And you all can definitely take these scenarios and make them your own. You can treat them as regular 5 off 25s where you don't have to stack a spin booster. You can use these as gain deals, stacking the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 30. So just keep that in mind as you're going through this video. You guys can definitely make these your own. And if you have a spend 40 that you would want to stack with these, or a spend 20 or a spend 10, you can definitely do that as well. We have so many great deals and so many good coupon matchups. And like I said, if you need some substitutions, or if you need alternatives, maybe you've already used one of these coupons that I'm including in these deals, go back and check out the crazy deals and coupons video. I promise you, you will find some really good substitutions. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into these scenarios. Now, like I said, I have 2 accounts left, so this is what I plan on doing on one account, and I do have a spend 30, get back 8 P&G coupon on that account. So I'm going to pick up one of the Tide laundry products at $9.95. We rarely get Tide deals, so I've been trying to include those as much as possible in these spend deals. Then I'm going to pick up one of the Downy fabric softeners at $5. 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills at $4.50 each, 1 of the Febreze fabric sprays at $4, 1 Always Discreet liner at $3.25, 2 of the Oral-B and Crest products priced at $1 each. We still have several that are working with that 3 off 2 coupon, so you can mix and match if you need to. Then pick up one of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $34.20, so I've met my spend 30 requirement. And here are the coupons that I'm going to use. The 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 3 off 1 Tide, 2 off 1 Downy, $3.99 off 2 Dawn, $2.30 off one Febreze, 4 off one Always Discreet, 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest, and the 2 off 1 Vicks. So after coupons, I'm going to pay $8.91 for 9 items, but I will get back that $8 P&G coupon. So that's going to make my final price 91 cents for all 9 items, making each one just about 10 cents each. Now here's where things get even better, because I'm going to make sure that that $8 coupon shows up on my account as a clipped coupon under my saved deals folder. You might have to log out and log back in to get it to show up, but it should show up no problem. I'm going to run back into the store and I'm going to do a gain deal. And for this one, I'm going to make sure that I ring up the most expensive product last. So I'm going to pick up one of the Gain dish soaps at $1, 2 of the Gain Power Blast at $4.75 each, 1 of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, and 1 of the Gain fabric softeners at $12.95. That's going to put my subtotal at $30.95. And here's a list of my coupons. Now, since I used my 5 off 25 digital on my first transaction on this same account, this time around I'm going to have to use a paper 5 off 25. Then my 5 off 30 Gain will apply, $3.99 off 2 Gain Power Blast, 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, 3 off 1 Gain or Downy fabric softener, and the 8 off of an 801 purchase. After coupons, that's going to leave me paying $3.96 for all 5 items, making each one just 79 cents each. Now, for my second account, here's what I plan on doing. I'm going to pick up one of the Tide laundry products priced at $9.95. You can choose from the liquid, the pods, or the dryer sheets. Then you want to pick up one of the Downy Rinse and Refresh priced at $6.95. One Head & Shoulders priced at $4.50. One of the Febreze warmers priced at $3.50. One Febreze fabric spray priced at $4. One Always Discreet liner at $3.25. 2 of the Crest and Oral-B products at $1 each. And 1 of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1. That's going to put my subtotal at $35.15. And here's a look at the coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Tide, 3 off 1 Downy Rinse and Refresh, and y'all look over these typos. I'm not quite sure why the $6.95 is still on this slide, but it's there. Then you're going to need the $2.50 off 1 Head & Shoulders, $2.30 off 1 Febreze warmer, $2.30 off 1 Febreze fabric spray, 4 off 1 Always Discreet, 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Vicks cough drops. So after coupons, that is going to leave me paying $8.05 for 9 items, but I'm getting back that $8 P&G purchase coupon. So that's going to make my final price 5 cents for all 9 items. All right, so once that first transaction is done, I'm going to make sure the $8 coupon shows up on my account, and I'm going to go back into the store and I'm going to do a Gain deal. So for this one, I'm going to pick up one of the Gain dryer sheets priced at $4.50, one of the Gain fireworks priced at $7.50, and one of the Gain 76 count flings at $19.95. That's going to put my subtotal at $31.95. And here's my list of coupons. So I'm going to need a paper 5 off 25 DG store coupon for this one, the 5 off 30 Gain, the 150 off 1 Gain dryer sheets, the 3 off 1 Gain fireworks, the 3 off 1 Gain flings, and the 8 off of an 801 P&G purchase. And that's going to leave me paying $6.45 out of pocket for 3 items, making each one just $2.15 each. Now, I do realize that the first Gain deal is a little bit better, a little bit lower out of pocket, but with this deal, I am getting the 76 count Gain flings to go right along with that large Gain fabric softener. Now, this Saturday, your girl has a lot going on, so I'm not going to be able to stay in the store and try a bunch of different deals out for you all. So if any of you guys are brave enough and you want to try to stack the P&G spin coupon with the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 30 Gain, you can use either one of those Gain scenarios that I included in this video, and you can even add some of the overage items to lower your out of pocket. If all 3 of those do stack and work together on Saturday, that's going to make these scenarios completely free, plus a money maker. Now again, you guys do that at your own risk. I'm not telling you that this is going to work. In fact, in the previous video, I told you that I've already tried to stack the P&G spend coupon with the Gain coupon, and they did not stack or work for me. So do that at your own risk. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I wish each and every one of you good luck with your Saturday scenarios. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.